my top 10 favorite transitional pieces I've ever created. Let's get into the process. At 5, we have the one that started it all, the drop-down trench I made in 18. I remember I was on the way to the zoo when I figured out how I'd create it, and I was actually about to turn around because fuck those animals, they'll be there tomorrow. At 4, we have the two-tone reversible jacket I made in 23. This jacket has a pivot point at the back that allows you to wear half the jacket on either the left or the right side, giving the jacket two completely different looks. At 3, we have my most recent 2023 creation, the floral two-tone jacket. That's also a trench. That's also a bag. I don't really know what to call it yet, guys, but if y'all think of a dope name, then let me know. At 2, we have my denim Sherpa coat. So I made this back in 19, but revamped the design in 22 to make it more functional. This jacket is so cool to me because look, you can manipulate the coat to make it look 8 different ways because the transitional pieces are independent of each other. What's dope about this coat too is that it actually influenced my current favorite functional fashion piece, the Goodwill Huntings, also known as my transitional pants. Y'all, I was so happy when I made these because the construction thought process took 5 ever. These pants and pocket can unzip on the side, then swing around the leg and give you not only a totally different functionality, but a totally different look as well. Now, I thought they were dope, but I wasn't really sure how they'd be received. But just trust your gut because you never really know. But yeah, that wraps up my top 10 for now. Thanks for watching.